Ever been out with friends, realize you forgot your wallet, and scramble to pay your share? Or maybe you're a freelancer waiting on a client payment, but bills don't wait. In today's digital age, having a way to send and receive money quickly and easily is crucial. That's where Cash App comes in. But what if the money's already in your Cash App and you need it in your hand? Don't worry, accessing your funds is a breeze. So, how exactly do you get your money out of Cash App? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into all the ways you can turn your digital dollars into spendable cash. Option 1. Direct deposit to your bank account. Let's face it, sometimes you just need cold, hard cash. Thankfully, Cash App allows you to transfer your funds directly to your linked bank account. This is a super convenient option, especially for larger amounts. Here's how it works. Open the Cash App and tap the banking icon on the main screen. Select Cash Out. Choose the amount you want to transfer. Select your linked bank account. Confirm the transaction. Now, the speed of this transfer depends on your bank. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days, but some banks might offer instant deposits for a small fee. Keep that in mind when planning your cash flow. Option 2. Cash out with a cash card. Maybe you need the money a little faster, or perhaps you don't have a traditional bank account. No problem. Cash App offers a handy Visa debit card linked directly to your account. Activating your cash card is easy, and once it arrives, you can use it for purchases anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in stores. Cashing out with your card is simple. Open Cash App and tap the cash card icon. Select Cash Out. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Choose where you want to receive the cash, either an ATM or a point-of-sale withdrawal at a participating retailer. Confirm the transaction with your PIN or Touch ID/Face ID. ATMs typically charge a small fee for withdrawals, so be sure to check the ATM operator's fees before you go. Point-of-sale withdrawals, on the other hand, often come with no additional charges, but there might be a limit on the amount you can withdraw at once. Safety first. Protecting your Cash App account. Security is paramount when it comes to your finances. Cash App has several features to keep your money safe, but it's always good practice to be vigilant. Here are some tips. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection when logging in. Never share your PIN or login information with anyone. Be cautious of phishing scams. Cash App will never ask for your personal information through email or text message. If you suspect any suspicious activity on your account, contact Cash App support immediately. Cash App offers a variety of ways to access your money, making it a convenient and flexible financial tool. Whether you need a direct deposit to your bank account, the instant access of a cash card, or just some peace of mind with robust security features, Cash App has you covered. Remember, exploring all the options and choosing the one that best suits your needs is key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and manage your money with confidence.